I turned my phone into a DSLR, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take your phone photography and videos to the next level. I'll show you how to get all the pro lenses on your phone, even turn it into an analog style camera, apply any photo style to make ordinary shots look professional. You'll also learn how to add studio lighting to any video using just an AI tool, do the easiest color grading trick on your phone, and use the best cinematic camera settings, and much more. To unlock all the camera lenses on your phone, you'll need an app called Relens, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Just open the app, pick DSLR blur, and choose a photo you want to edit. Now, here is where it gets fun. You can actually pick from different lenses to change how the background looks. Each lens shows you exactly what kind of blur you'll get. It's like having a lens kit in your pocket. You can tweak the aperture, change the bokeh shape, and even move the focus point after the photo's taken. Relens also gives you cinematic filters, smart HDR that levels up your lighting for perfect exposure, rich contrast, and enhanced details, frame styles, and a bunch of other tools that make your photos look like they came straight out of a film. This app is a game changer, but it's nothing compared to the secrets I'm dropping at the end of this video, like how to copy any image style and get studio lighting in your videos without expensive gear. But before I show you that, check out this next app. You don't need a vintage camera to get vintage look. You just need this one app. Every button, the sliding film door, and even the sound of the shutter are designed to look and feel like a physical vintage film camera. It uses virtual film rolls. Every time you switch the roll, the app recalculates the colors, the grain, and the light leaks to give you a totally unique shot every single time. Zooming is seriously fun to use, and there is even a hidden timer, perfect for creative self-portraits. But the real magic starts after you take the photo. A film roll effect is added, the frame gets that authentic analog vibe, and you get a unique photo that looks just like it was shot on real film. The best part, you can upload any photo from your gallery and apply different film styles, instantly transforming the mood and story of each image. The app is called Fimo, and I have a feeling you're going to love it from the very first click. Now, let me show you the gadget that completely changed the way I use my phone and gave it all the physical characteristics of a real camera. This is the Telesin FunShot Magnetic Grip, a game changer for smartphone photography and content creation. It easily attaches to your phone via MagSafe or any magnetic case and supports both horizontal and vertical shooting. Its buttons lets you switch camera modes, adjust zoom, and just like a DSLR, you can half press to focus and long press to shoot. One of the coolest features, it attaches quickly to any tripod just like a real camera and comes with a magnetic quick detach controller, perfect for taking photos or recording videos remotely. I use this tool every day and it's really budget friendly. Check out the link in my description to learn more. It's a simple way to boost your content and support my channel at the same time. If you really want to level up your content, the Telesin Selfie ring light is must-have. It easily attaches to your phone, case, or even the FunShot grip. You can adjust brightness, change the color temperature, and rotate it to any angle you need. It's rechargeable, portable, and even comes with a built-in mirror to make vlogging so much easier. Now, here is an app I wish I had found earlier, the Blackmagic Camera app, and I'll show you a setting that will make your videos look cinematic. It lets you shoot videos on your phone with professional cinematic quality, like using a real cinema camera but way simpler. To get that cinematic look, start by setting your resolution to 4K at 24 frames per second, which is the classic film frame rate. Next, set your shutter speed to about twice your frame rate, like 150 for 24 fps or 160 for 30 fps. This gives your shots a nice, natural motion blur. Keep your ISO as low as possible, around 50 to 200 to reduce noise, and adjust the exposure manually instead of leaving it on auto. If you're shooting handheld, turn on optical or standard stabilization to keep your footage steady. Here is a pro trick. Hold your finger on the screen to lock focus because phones often jump around in brightness as you move. Professional videographers always lock their settings to keep shots consistent. Another useful tip is to turn on grid lines in your camera settings. Use the rule of thirds to place your subject along the grid lines and look for leading lines like roads, fences or shadows to naturally draw the viewer's eye toward your subject and create depth. Here is the trick to drastically improve your color grading, all with the VN app. First, open the VN app, tap the plus button and tap New Project. Here, select any video you want to add to the timeline, then click the blue Next button. I want to color grade this video, so I'll show you where to download the LUTs and how to import them into the VN app. To find free LUTs, open your browser, type Fresh LUTs and click on the website. Tap the three lines in the upper right corner so you can sign in and download LUTs for free. To find the right one, select Search LUTs and adjust the settings to your liking. I picked blue shadows for the style option as an example. You can choose any option that fits your editing style. Next, tap the Search LUTs button and choose the one you like best. I chose this one. Here is before and after, and you can download it below. After the download, we'll go back to the VN app and I'll show you how to import the LUT you downloaded. Simply go to the Filter tab, tap Add and select the LUT you downloaded. You'll find it in Downloads. Choose the folder where you want to save it or create a new one. After that, you can apply it to any video and adjust its intensity or combine it with other settings for a better result. This might sound crazy, but it's true. It's never been easier to apply any photo style to your images, and I'll show you exactly how. First, open your browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Once you're on the website, select the Nano Banana Pro option. Then, upload the photo you want to edit along with a reference image that has a style you want to copy. If you need inspiration, you can find tons of cool ideas on Pinterest. Next, paste the prompt I've left in the description and hit generate. In seconds, your photo will have a completely new look. And if you think that's cool, just wait until you see the next trick. This is just a regular phone video until I unlock any lighting style I want. Here is how. Go to Higgsfield AI and tap on Link Video Edit. Upload the video you want to transform. I'll use this one as an example. Next, paste one of the lighting prompts I've added in the description and hit generate. In just a few moments, your ordinary phone clip turns into something that looks like it was shot in a professional studio. Try it yourself using the link in my description. It also supports my work. Another trick to make your videos look pro is using a gimbal. Check out this video, I know you're going to love it. And if you want even more helpful tips and tools, watch this one next.